What's going on, everyone? So, quite a few of you have been reaching out to me and asking if I'm okay. There was one person that asked if maybe Uber put a hit on me for a recent video that I did. No, I assure you, nobody put a hit on me. Yes, I'm okay. I've been very busy. I know this channel is usually like an open book of my life, but lately, due to some things that I can't entirely get into right now, I've had to make some pretty significant life changes. I'll definitely update you guys once we're a little further in this process. But as you can see, I'm sure this is not my regular office, but yet there's all my regular office stuff. So yes, I have moved. Like I said, a lot of stuff was going on that I can't get into. I will share everything with you as soon as I'm able to, but for now, I needed to move. And it's a good thing. The move is a really good thing. I ended up finding a house in the country, 2 acres of land. It's got a cattle gate, barbed wire fence. I got to get some animals. There's no animals here, but a couple acres. A nice little, some people call it a farmhouse. I would call it a ranch house. There's a pen out back. There's a 250-pound pig that kind of came with the place. It's a really nice place. It's a really big house. Now, would I say that I traded up from the other house? Probably. This house is probably 3 times bigger than the house that I've been in for the last 3 years. But this house is also older. It's definitely showing a little more age. It's not something that you would walk into and be like, oh my God, Uberman moved on up. It's a nice place. It's a very comfortable place. A lot of room, a lot of space, a lot of fresh country air. It feels good not to be cramped up in that tiny house anymore. And best part is we moved overnight. So, a lot of people I had to cut ties with. I didn't tell anybody I was moving. One day you wake up and nobody's there anymore. So, that's kind of the gist of it. Needed a little more room, wanted a little more space, needed to breathe and to kind of get away from a bunch of drama that's been following me around for many, many years. So that is what I did. And I will update you guys on everything at a later date. I promise I will. But for now, please just respect the fact that I can't talk about, all the things going on. But I'm fine. I moved at the worst possible time. Wind chill was negative 13 degrees. Like I said, I did this overnight. I got very sick. My brother, Tim, came down from Kansas, and he helped me move. It was a group effort to get an entire house full of stuff moved and set up. This house is already set up. Like, we accomplished everything in a total of 4 days. And it took 2 26-foot Penske trucks, 2 of them, packed Penske trucks to move everything from that one house over to this one. So not only did we move, we got this house completely set up. All the furniture, everything is set up the way it needs to be. The other house did some spot painting, steam cleaned the carpets. I go all out. I'm a good renter. Just put it that way. It's been a lot of work. I ended up very, very sick, and the sickness that I have is really something I've never experienced before. When I go to bed at night, I end up really sick. I end up sweating profusely. I feel feverish, the cold chills, congestion, all that stuff. But then as I get up and start progressing through my day, I feel just fine, other than some congestion. But then when I go back to bed again the next day, it's the same thing. Sweating, congestion, cold chills. It's a very strange illness that I've acquired. And I'm sure you can hear it in my voice a little bit too. I'm congested. My throat is sore. It's been very cold here lately. And, we ended up doing all the moving in the freezing cold, so that probably didn't help things any. But that is what's going on. That's why things look different. That's where I've been. It's been very, very difficult over the last week to just get everything done that needed to be done. It was all rushed, and I'm fine. And videos will resume shortly. I'll get back on track. I just needed some time to get some things in my life straightened out. I appreciate your patience and your understanding. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there. Uber and Lyft on.